One thing that sets Staub apart is we have a wide variety of in-house and ancillary finishing services available to our customers. By having these capabilities in-house, we are able to provide turnkey parts processing more efficiently. These repeatable, reliable, consistent results are most obvious in our deburring and finishing departments.
Hi, I'm Dan, production supervisor of the deburring and finishing department. And what we do is we have a thermal debur here, and we have pre-made fixtures that we put 3 parts on. There's 1 layer, 2 layers, 3 layers, and then we hit these handles and they'll come in and it will go, this part here will now go under and into the compartment, and we will blow it up and there will be no intersecting burrs in the manifold. And it's under now, a door would come down, we'll fill it with gas and oxygen and it'll blow up and there'll be no more burrs in the cross-section holes. This here is a high-energy tumbler that we use to finish many parts. And what we have here is the stone that we use. This is a plastic media with a soap and a water mixture. These barrels will spin this way and the whole drum will spin this way, so the action in 2 ways. That's why it's called a high energy tumbler.